Team, we're gonna make a little festive 4th of July cake or any time of the year cake because sometimes I replay my videos and this may get replayed when it's not 4th of July. So here's the little dish we're gonna use, right? And here's our pound cake. One of these two things aren't the same, so we're gonna do a little chopping on this thing and make it fit in here. And just cut little layers off. All right. If it breaks, it breaks. It is what it is. All right, we just want to fill the bottom with our cake. Get it smooshed down there, like so. All right, we have our Jellos. We have blue, red. Made the Jello like it said on the box. Got our little boxes right here. Right, kind of eyeball it a little bit. Just use a little spatula. Now my Jello's been sitting out a little bit while I'm getting ready to film, so this may fall apart, may come out in pieces, but we'll make it work, you know what I'm saying? We'll just put it on in here. So much for trying to cut it and make it look, make it look right. This is strawberry Jello. And then the blue, we got a little berry blue. All right. We have a few berries in here, so we're gonna throw a few of those in. Making it a little healthy, right? We got some berries going in. Got the fine china out for this one. Our extra creamy Cool Whip. Just take a little smudge of that, little plop, and just kind of smooth it out in there. It does not have to be perfect. This is just adding a little layer of flavor. If you mix it up a little bit in there, not a big deal. Get our next layer of pound cake in. Give it a smoosh down. And feel free to use a bigger dish. I never think this out right. Now it's time to add our blue Jello to it. Yeah, this doesn't look like a natural color. Blue Jello's on. Since we got the blue Jello, let's go with the blueberries. Just a few in there. And again with our Cool Whip. We're gonna top this off with one, Gonna top this off with one last layer of pound cake. You know it's gonna be awesome is hearing all the people in the comments. You should use the bigger dish. Are you sure? Because I didn't think that. I did not think that through. All we're gonna do is take the rest of this Cool Whip. Try not to make a huge mess with it. Make a little flag out of this. What do you guys say? Again, this could be for any time. But we're going to do this for the 4th of July. But when I replay it for Labor Day or Memorial Day, it's for those days then. All right, team. I never claimed to be a cake decorator, baker, or anything like that. And I never claimed to be too smart about using the right size dish. But here we are. Guys, is it overflowing? Yes. But is it going to be tasty? Also, yes. We're going to throw this in the fridge, let it kind of set back up for another hour or so. All right. And then we'll dig into it. I'll see you in a sec. All right, team, we've given it time to set up. Looks pretty-ish. Now let's cut into it. What do you say? Let's get a little of the stars and stripes here. I'm using a pretty sharp knife here. See if I can do this in semi one piece. Woo! Listen, is she gonna win Beauty Queen? Probably not, but she'll turn a few heads, especially with that taste. Speaking of, let's get a taste. Time to take a bite of the Jello fruity goodness, or the fruity Jello goodness. All right. This is perfect for summertime. Hell, it's perfect for any time. Let's go ahead and get that bite. Guys, so light, so refreshing. You gotta make this. Baby, you know it's good.